We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new IP Flexible Reach voice service. This video was created to help you understand the installation steps so that your service can be activated smoothly. IP Flexible Reach is an over-the-top voice-over IP service. This means that IP Flexible Reach requires a digital transport circuit to carry its voice data packets. This video covers the activation process of your IP Flexible Reach voice service, which will take place after the associated transport circuit, whether that circuit is AT&T Dedicated Internet or AT&T Virtual Private Network, is installed and working. We will focus strictly on the activation of your IP Flexible Reach voice service. Links for instructional videos relating to ADI and AVPN installation can be found below this video screen. The IP Flexible Reach installation process has several milestones for which you will receive email notifications as they are achieved. At any time during this process, if you have questions, please contact the AT&T Business Support Center. Our representatives will be available to help you out during business hours. There are a few important responsibilities that you need to take care of to ensure a smooth activation. First, you need to contact the vendors of any customer premise equipment that may be impacted by your new IP Flexible Reach voice service. Examples might include a PBX or key telephone system, edge router, point-of-sale system, alarm, or etc. You will likely need modifications or programming to the CPE to make sure the vendors will be available on the day of activation. Once your transport circuit has been installed and is available for use, contact the AT&T Activation Hotline, follow the options to turn up your IP Flexible Reach service. Agents are available 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Make sure to have your order information available for reference. The remote AT&T engineer will work with your vendor and activate your service. If you have brand new IP Flexible Reach service with new telephone numbers, you may request an on-demand service activation by contacting the number listed above. If you have existing phone numbers, be aware that your telephone numbers may need to be ported, in other words, migrated over to AT&T. AT&T will work with your existing telephone service provider to transfer those numbers. If you're an existing AT&T IP Flexible Reach voice service customer, your telephone numbers will be moved over to the new service. An AT&T representative from our Move team will coordinate this for you. Again, if you have questions regarding the installation or activation, please contact the AT&T Business Support Center. You will be contacted by an AT&T service delivery agent to schedule the activation of your IP Flexible Reach voice service. After your IP Flexible Reach service is activated, you will receive a confirmation email. You can expect to receive your first bill approximately 30 to 45 days after that confirmation. There is a customer service number on the bill that you can call if you have any questions regarding the bill. If you need any help with your IP Flexible Reach service after the service activation has completed, contact the AT&T Technical Support Center. Or, if you prefer, you can submit a help request through AT&T Online Express Ticketing. The link is below this video screen. Completing the instructions we've described here will greatly help AT&T get your service installed smoothly, on time, and billing accurately. Please check out the other short, informative videos relating to the installation of the AVPN or ADI transport for your IP Flexible Reach voice service. Also linked below this screen is a guide that will help explain in further detail the things you can do to help this installation go smoother. Your satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.